Batgirl's Disgrace by Andrea Shavik. If only she had done her homework first, before she saved the world. Need calamity prevention? Sorry, Batgirl's in detention.
我嘅學生全部都有獎，3個就有1個冠軍。如果學生聰明勤力，佢哋好大機會會攞到獎狀。會提供全篇詩歌有抑揚頓挫嘅錄音，學生可自由錄影課堂。全港成本效益比最高，成本低，效益高。課堂會教授發音、詩歌理解、面部表情、語調、呼吸技巧。300蚊半小時，所需堂數因人而異，一般需4堂或以上。有興趣請 email speechfestivalpoemexpert@gmail.com。